Okay, I'm going to show you a new project I just finished and give you an idea what I had to do because my computer just went south on me. So anyway, this is what it used to look like. I used to have a, a shuttle little XPC case. Nothing too exciting about it. Just barely had enough room in here for like 2 PCI cards, the drive sat on top of this little sled, and the hard drive sat underneath it, which created a ton of heat. I actually lost a hard drive because of the awesome design. So motherboard wasn't bad on it, so I pretty much had to part it out, but I wasn't able to take the power supply either because it's a little 250 watt power supply designed for that case. So I went and grabbed a new power supply, new motherboard, and after doing that, I decided to, since I didn't have another case, standard ATX, I just decided to make my own little case. So this is what I finished, and this is my new computer. I actually just grabbed some scrap plywood out of the garage, and last night just began cutting and fabricating and made, I luckily had enough accessories, so I was able to make little plywood standouts to hold the DVD drive in place. That's the new 600 watt power supply. It's the same Intel Core 2 Duo processor. I'm using a 8800, it's an NVIDIA card, same old hard drive, little media reader. I mounted onto a little 45-degree bracket I made to make it easier access. Just screw this sucker up against the wall, and there it is. Cables are just kind of all bundled together there, but has enough airflow to keep nice and cool, and just so the mouse will work a little easier because it is a little RF signal. I took a USB extension cord and a hub, and so I have USB ports available to me right down here at my desk. So cameras, thumb drives, the whole works, and there it is.